Good morning, children. All of you understood first and second lessons? Did you got it? Reading and writing? Any confused? Any doubts? Say answer. Haven't doubts? Okay. We'll go to lesson number 3. First of all, remind you again. Our two Shra letters are called? Good. Varnamala. Varnamala letters are how many types are there? Acha, 3 types. Those are Swar, Vyanjan, Samyuktakshar. स्वराक्षर को अर्ध वोवेल्स, स्वर और स्वराक्षर को अर्ध vowels. Okay, after ka to ha letters are called Vyanjanakshar. Vyanjanakshar को अर्ध consonants. After ksha to shra letters are called Samyuktakshar. Samyuktakshar को अर्ध any two different letters add means are called Samyuktakshar. Okay? Did you got it, Varnamala? Okay. So from second lesson, Matra A. Do you know now reading and writing? Okay. Okay. So next, let us start third lesson. Okay. So ka to ha letters are called Vyanjan. Yes? So what do we write with Vyanjan? Barakadi and आधे अक्षर. Yes? Okay. Do you know Barakadi writing? Letters from Vyanjan. Okay? Ka to ha letters and adding matra to every letter. Yes? That is called Barakadi. Okay? So first, I will write here Matra A. We can learn once again Matra A here. So as usual, starting with the heading only. Matra A, starting letter is Ma. Second A की मात्रा Tra. Second A की मात्रा A की अर्धचंद्राकार. Matra A. Matra A means in Telugu గుణింతపు గుర్తులు. Okay, Matra A means in Telugu గుణింతపు గుర్తులు. Okay, see here, I am writing here Matra A, Hindi and as usual, as well as Telugu also I will show you. Okay, see here. First A की मात्रा तलकट्टु. Second A की मात्रा दीर्घम. First E की फर्स्ट ई की मात्रा गुड़ी. सेकंड ई की मात्रा गुड़ी दीर्घम. 4 minutes చేశాను. फर्स्ट ऊ की मात्रा కొమ్ము. सेकंड ऊ की मात्रा కొమ్ము दीर्घम. रू की मात्रा ऋत्वम. ए की मात्रा एत्वम. ऐ की मात्रा ऐत्वम. ओ की मात्रा ओत्वम, औ की मात्रा औत्वम, अम की मात्रा सुन्ना, अह की मात्रा विसर्गः and अर्धचंद्राकार. Okay, so आ की मात्रा तलकट्टू, फस्ट छोटी आ की मात्रा तलकट्टू, बड़ी आ की मात्रा दीर्घम, छोटी ई की मात्रा गुड़ी, बड़ी ई की मात्रा गुड़ी दीर्घम, छोटी ऊ की मात्रा कोम्मु, बड़ी ऊ की मात्रा कोम्मु दीर्घम, रू की मात्रा ऋत्वम, ए की मात्रा एत्वम, ऐ की मात्रा ऐत्वम, ओ की मात्रा ओत्वम, औ की मात्रा औत्वम, अम की मात्रा सुन्ना, अह की मात्रा विसर्गः and अर्धचंद्राकार. Okay, these are matraye in Telugu also. Okay, see here, we'll go to third lesson. Third lesson name is Barakkadi. Okay, so first as usual starting with the heading only, Barakkadi starting with the ba, letter ba, and here second a ki matra, it is called ba, next letter is ra, ha, kha, da, second a ki matra, Barakkadi. So what is this word now? Barakkadi. Barakkadi means in Telugu గుణింతాలు. Barakkadi means in Telugu గుణింతాలు. Barakkadi means in Telugu గుణింతాలు. How it is right? Okay, it is lesson number 3. Lesson number 3 name is Barakkadi. Okay, so which letters we can write Barakkadi now? Ka to ha letters. Ka to ha letters are called Vyanjan. Vyanjan ko अर्थ consonants. Okay, so see here, I will show you once. See here, ka to ha letters. Ka to ha letters are called Vyanjan. Vyanjan ko are the consonants. Okay, so letters are ka, kha, ga, gha, inya, cha, cha, ja, jha, ini, ta, tha, da, dha, ana, ta, tha, da, dha, na, pa, pha, ba, bha, ma, ya, ra, la, va, she, sha, sa, ha. Okay, ka to ha letters are called Vyanjan. Vyanjan ko are the consonants. Okay, these letters, ka to ha letters, we can write Barakkadi and Adhe Akshar. So now we will go to lesson number 3. Lesson number 3 is Barakkadi. Okay, let us start Barakkadi writing. Okay, see here, in this ka to ha letters, what is the first letter? Ka. Okay, first start with the starting letter only, Barakkadi. See carefully, I am writing here Barakkadi. Okay, so I have taken here letter ka. Okay, start with the first a ki matra. So see here how it is, right? First I can write here letters only. So let us start Barakkadi. I written here letter Ka only. Okay. The only thing missing here. What is that? The only thing. One thing is missing here. What is that? It is first Aki Matra. Means in Telugu, Talakattu. Okay. So I given here first Aki Matra. It is the letter Ka. Okay. Ka ki talakattiste Ka. And after, before I say to you children, Hindi is a different language. Okay. So one letter only missing here. Okay. It is I added here first Aki Matra. Now it is letter Ka. After continuation with extra Matra are there. So continue this. Okay. So see here letter Ka. Ka ki talakattiste Ka. And here continue in the sleeping line. ఓకే ఈ తలకట్టు అన్నది ఇక్కడ కంటిన్యూ అవుతూనే ఉంటుంది ఏ లెటర్ అయినా కావచ్చు ఓకేనా డిడ్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్ మా విల్ గో టు సెకండ్ మాత్రాయే ఓకే ఇట్ ఈజ్ వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ మాత్రాయే సెకండ్ ఆకి మాత్ర ఓకే కాకు దీర్ఘమిస్తే కా ఫస్ట్ ఈకి మాత్ర ఇట్ ఈస్ గెటింగ్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఓకే ఇట్ ఈస్ అ లెటర్ కీ ఓకే కాకు ఫస్ట్ ఈకి మాత్ర ka first e ki matra ki okay and it is the right getting ka second e ki matra now it is ki okay and next u ki matra down only writing upright okay I added here u ki matra ka u ki matra ku okay ka u ki matra ku ka रू की मात्रा क्रू का ए की मात्रा के का आई की मात्रा कई का ओ की मात्रा को का औ की मात्रा कौ का आम की मात्रा कम एंड का अह की मात्रा कहा ओके व्हाट इज मिसिंग हियर अर्धचंद्राकार okay it shouldn't be written in multiples okay it shouldn't be written in multiples ee ardhachandrakar don't be continue in barakkadi okay barakkadi lo vrayamannamata okay leave this so see here so listen the sounding perfectly okay children ka ka ki ki ku ku kru ke kai ko kau kam kaha okay so once again listen ka ka ki ki ku ku kru ke kai को कौ कम कहा okay it is called barakkadi it is called in english multiples okay so it is letter ka barakkadi so did you understand the sounding children it's clear now once again listen ka ka ki ki ku ku kru ke kai ko kau kam kaha okay it is barakkadi so every letter we are adding to matraye to that letter okay sounding is different okay children one more letter I will show you here see it is letter cha Okay. See here. Here is one missing. What is that? First A ki matra I given here. So this letter now cha. Cha ki talakattiste cha. After continuation talakattu means first A ki matra. Okay. So we are adding matra. Right or left or up or down. Okay. It's clear to you? See here. Here getting second A ki matra. It is letter cha. Now left side it is chi. And here getting right side chi. And down upright chu. And totally write down chu. After ru ki matra chru. After ye ki matra che. After I ki matra chai. After o ki matra cho. After au ki matra chow. After am ki matra cham. And after aha ki matra chaha. Okay. Cha. Cha. Chi. Chi. Chu. Chu. Chru. Che. Chai. Cho. Chow. Cham. Chaha. Okay. It is Barakkadi. Cha Barakkadi. Okay. So some letters are getting hard. Writing is hard. Yes. So which letters are? See, I'll show you. See these letters. Kha. Okay. Letter kha writing. And ga writing. Ana writing. She writing. Okay. These letters getting confused. One small confuse only. So I will show you what is the confuse here. Letter ga. Okay. Okay. See here. Here line continuation only. Okay. So that's why small confuse I say to you. Okay. See. First A ki matra ga. Second A ki matra ga. First E ki matra gi. Second E ki matra gi. First U ki matra gu. Second U ki matra gu. Ru ki matra gru. E ki matra ge. I की मात्रा गई. ओ की मात्रा गो. औ की मात्रा गौ. अम की मात्रा गम. And aha की मात्रा गहा. Okay. So again next letter ana. Here also continue this line. Okay. There is no confuse. Once or you listen means get it very easy. Okay. See. Okay, let us start. First A की मात्रा ana. Second A की मात्रा na. First E की मात्रा ni. Second E की मात्रा ni. First U की मात्रा nu. Second U की मात्रा nu. ru की मात्रा ru. ए की मात्रा ने. I की मात्रा nai. O की मात्रा no. औ की मात्रा नौ. अम की मात्रा नम. And aha की मात्रा नहा. Okay. అనాకి తలకట్టిస్తే అనా. అనాకు దీర్ఘం ఇస్తే నా. అనా గుడిస్తే నీ. ఓకే. సో నెక్స్ట్ లెటర్ షే. Okay, so she, 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 shoo, 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 shoo. Okay, it is called in Telugu Melikasha. Okay, okay, this letter is called in Telugu Melikasha. Okay, see, షేకి తల కట్టిస్తే షే, దీర్ఘమిస్తే షా, గుడిస్తే షి, గుడి దీర్ఘమిస్తే షీ, కొమ్మిస్తే షు, కొమ్ము దీర్ఘమిస్తే షూ, రుత్వం శ్రు, ఏత్వం షే, ఐత్వం షై, ఓత్వం షో, ఔత్వం షౌ, అమ్ की मात्रा शम and ah की मात्रा shah. Okay, Barakkadi is a very easy, no children, it is third lesson. Okay, so first lesson Varnamala, second lesson Matraye, and third lesson Barakkadi. Did you understand, children? Okay, right children, take notebook and write. Okay ma.